Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to switch from Samsung keyboard to Gboard, means Google keyboard. So for this guys, you need to download and install the Gboard app on your Samsung devices. So just open the Google Play Store and here you need to search Gboard and open the app like this. Okay, so when you open the app, so from here it will ask you to switch. So from here you need to select the Gboard, okay, like this. Okay, and then your default keyboard was now changed. So as you can see guys, when you open the keyboard on your phone, now every time it will open the Google keyboard, as you can see guys. So this is the way to switch from Samsung keyboard to Google keyboard. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.